we're going to create a new series of videos to do with enemy setup and creating enemies that will actually interact with our characters. Most importantly, in this particular setup, we need a series of walls, a ground. I've used a plane for the ground, and you've got some blocks in here and some objects here that the character can run around in. We're just going to have a look at it running around. What we want to see is enough space for the character to run around in and for the dragon to run around in. So the walls are about 6 foot high or 6 meters high or whatever they are, and you've got these blocks which are, unable to be jumped up upon, so that the dragon actually can't just run up them without going up this ramp, etc. So that's the first thing that we want to test our character on the new ground that we've created. Rules to fire. Make sure that the dragon has enough space to run around. Make sure that your archer is inside the arena and test it works. But we need to set up over here in the hierarchy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click in this space here and click create empty. And we're going to give this ground condition. So that's all the ground. And what we're going to do is we're just going to grab all of these things, so ground, wall, middle block and ramp, and we're just going to drag them into that. And so we can open it up and close it down. This is really a very important step. So now I need to make this all one scene, something that can have the character, the dragon, navigate around automatically. So the way we do that is we select all of this and we go to static and we click on navigation static. Click on that. Yes, change children. And this selects it all. Now, and we click on AI navigation, and now we have our navigation pane come up here. So having done that, we can click on this word bake, and what we're going to do is we're going to bake in our ability for the dragon to move around. Now, the maximum slope, we could change those kinds of conditions here. We're just going to bake it in now. And you'll notice how it goes blue. And everywhere it is blue, the dragon can actually go. So you can see it can actually get up here, and it can go on here, and it can go on here, and it can go on here. That is the end of our first video.